Hey everyone, thought I would do a really short video showing you that the pruning has really helped. As you can see, the tomatoes are ripening nicely. Look at my friend over here. Oh, she's being very, very still. You can see him moving the foot. Alright, I'll get out of your way here. So, as you can see, the tomatoes are blushing. Those are the black beauties. You can hear the neighbor's chickens in the background. Hey, look who showed up. Dogs, you going to say hi to the people? You're busy? Enjoying the morning sunshines? Good girl. Yeah, that little plant is really loaded. And I still don't know which tomato variety this is.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind.
Those banana peppers are also doing really well. As you can see.
Everything is turning into gold.
finally gave in and put the squash in the little bags because the grasshoppers have been chewing on them. And for whatever reason, I think they don't like the texture of the bags, so they stop bothering them.
Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September.
Heavy.